Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
To start a car with a bad starter, you can try tapping the starter with a tool like a hammer while turning the ignition key. This can sometimes free up the solenoid. Another method is push starting the vehicle, for manual transmission cars, which involves pushing the car until it gains some speed, then quickly engaging the clutch while in second gear to start the engine. Note, these methods should be used cautiously and as temporary solutions. If the problem persists, seek professional help.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.